Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, which is currently bouncing after hitting that $20,000 support level. I do think the short-term bottom is in for crypto. We're going to take a look at the more detailed charts here. We could definitely see a bounce up until higher levels of this range. Possibly 25,000. Could we even go back and test 28,000? It is possible. That would be the upper limit, though. I am still taking a completely bearish view on the market, however. And let me go and update one of our downtrend lines over here. We have this downtrend line, which, could cause more downside once we reach 25,000 again. Or like I said, right, the absolute peak would probably be that $28,500 level. You could see this previous chart that predicted the entire downside to 20,000, but I do want to keep people aware that we still have this other gap to fill down to, 15, 14, possibly even $12,000 for Bitcoin. So yes, right now in the short term, I do think we're going to bounce. We got strong support at $20,000, and this also caused, both stocks as well to pump higher after Fed announced it was confirming the interest rates of 0.75%. So stocks bounced substantially, and cryptos alongside with them sharply bounced right after that event. We are down substantially in the last few days, so it makes sense now that we're going to get a pretty sharp bounce across the board, as you can see here. I do want to caution, though, to not necessarily get caught up in the actual bounce too much, because like I said, right, of course, now we saw that we had supported 20,000. We're going to bounce, right? We're going to bounce probably up to 25,000, up and down, could even go up to 28,000, right? But after that, or even at 25,000, that might be the end of the drop, and we might just start coming back lower into the range and finally getting that move below 20,000. I see literally zero outcome where we do not break below 20,000. It's just a matter of time. However, do need to keep you guys updated that right now in the short term, yes, the bottom has likely been put in the shorter term, and that means that we will see that upside bounce, but don't go thinking that, sinking below 20,000, reaching those 16, 15, 12, 13K levels are impossible, because that's not the case. So that is what I wanted to point out in this video. I also wanted to mention that there's a lot of different, opinions going around on, where the bottom is, etc., etc., etc. We have high profile investors such as Raul Paul, Scaramucci, Novogratz, Hayes, and all of these people said, to be honest, very different things, right? Novogratz said that 20K was basically the bottom. Arthur Hayes said that if we break below 20,000 for Bitcoin or 1,000 for ETH, that this would cause, extreme selling pressure. So he didn't say necessarily that these would be the bottom or that they wouldn't be the bottom, but just warning that any move below 20,000 would cause massive selling pressure. And that's exactly what I mentioned here with the charts. But like I said, we haven't dropped below 20K just yet. For now, we're bouncing off that, so we'll see how things play out. Scaramucci is actually loading on this drop, and that is, interesting. Now, he has a very long-term outlook, so of course, getting it on this drop, which was, let's go ahead and take a look here, just in the last few days alone, a 30% drop. If we're taking even from, the 30K level, that was a full, basically 45% drop. So, that is going to be obviously a pretty decent buying opportunity. Is it the peak low? Maybe not, but pretty decent nonetheless. Now, what I wanted to say is, you have all these different opinions flying around. Make sure to protect yourself and stick to what you see happening, what falls in line with your own game plan. Because like I said, right, you're going to see a bunch of stuff. We have this article here: Ethereum crashed by 94% in 2018. Will history repeat with ETH price bottoming at $375? I'm not gonna lie, this seems quite possible to me personally. That would be the peak low in that case. But like I said, right, for both Bitcoin and ETH, We could still see much lower levels in coming months. You know, we're looking at a $9,000 potential peak bottom for Bitcoin, about a $500 based on my charts for Ethereum. Could we get a quick crash down to 375? It is possible. So yes, right now we are bouncing. That provides some relief, some trading opportunities, but keep in mind that the downside, the risks here are still real, and any bounce should not be construed as a bull market, right? Of course, all of this is just my own personal opinion and not financial advice, but I'm telling you what I'm personally seeing. Make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. Also, check out my favorite crypto exchange, bit.com. You can get bonuses just for depositing money. This exchange was flawless throughout the entire market downturn, and you can even hedge yourself. This is a very smart move, potentially, with cryptocurrency options. It's fully available on bit.com, so go ahead and check that out. Link in the description of this video. Follow me on Twitter for live cryptocurrency market updates, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time.